Hello guys, today I'm in front of you to say one trick. You all know that the radial artery is on the lateral side of the body, and on the medial side you will find ulnar artery, right? So now what is the trick means? It will be on the lateral side of the body, but remaining stretches are, with respect to remaining stretches, it will be on the medial surface, right? Means the radial nerve will be here, so that it will be medial to the radial nerve, and the brachioradialis will be here, so that it will be medial to the, so that radial nerve will be medial to the brachioradialis. So in the similar way, actually the ulna will be on the medial side, and with respect to the ulnar nerve, it will be on the lateral side, and with respect to the flexor digit, flexor carpi radialis. No, flexor carpi ulnaris, right? It will be on the lateral side. With respect to, when you took with respect to, then it will be on the opposite side, means lateral. In this way, you can remember very easily, okay? In this way, muscle, nerve, here arteries. Like that also you can remember, okay? And one more trick is joints. Wherever you find joints, means I am saying this is the one distal phalanx, intermediate phalanx, and this is the proximal phalanx. You know that the FDP means flexor digitorum profundus will invite up to the tip, means the distal phalanx, right? So it is crossing the DIP joint and PIP joint. So it will help in both the flexion of the DIP joint as well as the PIP joint, and it also helps in the flexion of the wrist joint as it is crossing the wrist joint also. So whenever a muscle crosses a joint, it will help in the flexion of the joint. If it is a flexor muscle, okay. If it is an extensor muscle, it will help in the extension of that joint. That is the only trick, okay. If it is an extensor muscle, it will help in the extension of the joint, and if it is a flexor muscle, it will help in the flexion of the joint if it passes over the joint, okay. This is the trick you need to remember, and that's it. And basically, when you are studying, you should remember one thing. If you do not understand the word means, then think from basics onwards. Like, if you are so much confused with the veins and arteries, just think of once, what does a vein does? What does a vein do? It will help in transport of blood to the heart. Like some basic points will come. Through that basic points, you can find very, very excellent tricks that no one can taught you before anywhere, anytime. So you can make that much very funny tricks and simple tricks from the basic points. So always focus on your basics while studying. If you do not understand anything, go to the basics and revise it once, means to recall it once. You'll find very good tricks to remember those things, okay. Thank you.